Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas is continuously, if you look at this trend, it was in range, but now it is trying to form a narrow range, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and the high of that particular range around $2.0611. Okay, day wise chart. Okay, as soon as this trend moves down, that means it has to go below a level of 1.7, then only we can see this trend can go further down. Otherwise, if it keeps sustaining above a level of $1.86, then chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, because this is the range we have seen. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend closely, you will see that there is trying to form a narrow pattern. So chances can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 1.89, or this particular trend will support and a further upside movement we can see. Now if you look at this particular bigger trend, there is a probability of moving further down. Okay, because this particular trend is supporting this particular zone, so chances, see, for a bigger view we can see there will be a probability of moving further down. But if started going above level of 1.85, then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, this is what we can see looking at this particular two trends. Now if you look at the dollar index, see, most of the factors depend on the dollar index. See, suppose if a natural gas price being imported from other country, they have to pay this amount for importing this amount of natural gas. So once the price of dollar index increases, then they have to pay more dollar for the same amount. So import and export differences happen, and that is where we have seen the range that the natural gas price moves up and down. Okay, now look at this particular trend. If you go on the dollar index, there is a continuous upside, and we can see there will be a further upside movement in the price of dollar index. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining, there is a probability that we can see it can go above a level of $104.9, and the further upside movements we can see if the price goes above that particular level. But if the price started moving below a level of 103.5, then we can see the price of dollar increase, the price of natural gas, and even other commodities. Okay, if these two patterns are same, but the bigger pattern is on the downside, that if the price started falling below 103.5, chances are very high that it can go below a level of 100 also by supporting this pattern, and from there a probability of moving below 100. Now let's see how the price of natural gas is moving. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. If we go on a device chart, there is a probability that after forming a doji candle, we have seen a green candle is forming. So suppose, let's see if the price sustain this level. Okay, see, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $1.833, and if started going over that level, a probability of crossing 1.8576. These are the two supports we can see. But after that, there is a probability that as soon as started going over level of 1.85, okay, then chances are very high that this pattern will support this level, and after that it will cross a level of 1.8650. Okay, and then a probability of crossing a level of 1.94 is there. Suppose if the price started moving over a level of 1.94, then a probability of going towards $2 we can see, and from there it will cross a level of around $2.0557. If the price keep moving on that level, this is the range, so we can see it will go further high, and yes, from there a probability of going towards $2.145. Okay, and if that level move further down upside, then we will see it will cross a level of $2.36. Okay, chances are very high that if the price keep moving above a level of 2.36, then we will see a further upside movement, and we will see a further high, because this is the zone. So probability of moving crossing this level we can see, and probability of touching $2.5244 is there, and then a further upside movement we can see, because this pattern will also support this trend. And if you look at the day wise chart also, you will see there will be an upside, so it will move in the zone of 320. So if the price keep moving over level of $3 and $2, then you will see a further upside. Okay, because if this pattern supports, the chances are very high it will cross a level of $3, because 2.5 if sustained, a probability of crossing $3 we can see. Now, as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, so we always try to set your SL, because it will save your capital if you're setting your SL. And if you're trailing your SL, you will see your profit. These two things you should be doing, because for a longer period of time you have to sustain your profit, so that your risk appetite will also increase and you can increase the quantity also, so a big profit can be made. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain. Why? Because see, market is always uncertain. If you look at this overall trend also, there is a green candle as well as a red candle as forming. So always try to set your SL as per that, because the volatility will be high, as well as low. So decide your SL as per that. Otherwise, what will happen? Your target will not hit, rather than your SL will hit. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down and cross a level of $1.78, which is already being weak support. So chances are it will cross that level and it will go towards 1.74. Once the price started falling below this level, it will move below a level of 1.7169. Okay, because this particular pattern will support, the chances of going towards 1.6720 will be there. Okay, and if that move further down, then we will see a level of 1.59. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular zone, chances are very high it will move further low, and yes, from there a probability of going towards a level of 1.5263 will be there. And if that level move further low, and then we will see a further downfall in the price of natural gas, because this is an all-time low. Okay, all-time low, so chances can be high. So once it started going below 1.253, it will cross a level of 1.5, and the probability of touching 1.4 will be there, and from there 1.3 also we can see, and then a further downfall, and chances will be very high it will cross this level down. So we can see a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.